Non-welded exhaust connections have become increasingly popular, especially among DIY mechanics and in applications requiring flexibility. These connections offer significant advantages over traditional welding methods. Instead of welding, you'll primarily use clamps and adapters. These methods eliminate the need for specialized welding equipment, make repairs easier, and allow the exhaust system to handle thermal expansion and vibration naturally. There are three primary methods for connecting exhaust pipes without welding. Each method has specific applications and advantages depending on your installation requirements. Band clamps, also known as lap joint clamps, compress overlapping pipe sections with uniform pressure. They require a minimum 2-inch overlap and are the most common connection method due to their reliability and ease of installation. Butt joint clamps connect pipes end to end using an internal sleeve. This design requires no pipe overlap and maintains the full internal diameter, making them ideal for space-constrained installations. Flex pipes and adapters are crucial components that absorb thermal expansion and vibration. Their bellows design allows the exhaust system to move naturally with engine vibration and temperature changes, preventing stress fractures. Modern stainless steel band clamps can withstand extreme conditions. They're rated for temperatures up to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit and can handle back pressures up to 45 psi, making them suitable for high-performance applications. Critical installation considerations include ensuring a minimum 2-inch overlap for band clamps and accounting for thermal expansion. Exhaust pipes expand approximately 1 inch per 100 degrees Fahrenheit temperature rise per 10 feet of pipe length. Proper planning prevents system stress and premature failure. Proper surface preparation is the foundation of successful exhaust pipe connections. Clean and deburred pipe ends can increase seal life by up to 40%. Using the correct clamp size is critical. Oversized clamps can reduce clamping force by up to 30%, leading to seal failures. Proper torque specifications are essential. Under-torquing causes 60% of premature failures. Modern torque wrenches ensure accurate installation. Recent advancements include quick connect systems that allow tool-free installation in under 5 minutes, and smart torque indicating clamps that change color when properly tightened. Regular annual inspections are crucial for preventing unexpected failures. Proper inspection protocols can reduce unexpected failures by 80%. Modern non-welded exhaust connections have achieved remarkable reliability. Quality clamps now achieve 99.8% seal integrity, and stainless steel clamps last 8 to 10 years on average.